Hi guys, my name is Ashley and welcome back to another video. So today's video is a little more vlog style. I don't think I'm going to do a whole lot of vlogs just because I'm kind of boring. I just stay in my apartment. But this past weekend was my Founder's Day. So about half of my line sisters came in town so we can celebrate. And it was going to be like a Charlotte or things to do in Charlotte vlog, but because of the pepperoni pizza outside, can't really do too much. So it turned into kind of different places that we ate, as well as just some fun stuff. We also made brunch one day. So there's some funny stuff in there. But before we get started, I wanted to kind of ask you guys what kind of content you would like to see from me, because I really appreciate all of the feedback and all the people reaching out to me, and I really do appreciate it. But I want to see like what you all would like for me to see from me, because I have a ton of ideas and maybe it's my fault I haven't put them on video yet, but I just wanted to make sure like I'm providing content that people would like to see. So let's get into the video. It's an interesting setup. Good morning. We just got up, me and my girl Tamia. About to get this breakfast going. Yes. This brunch. Just a little housewife. A little housewife. Yeah. So people are getting ready and we're gonna get to cooking.
I think like 2 days. I was just like spiraling. Ow.
Oh my god. Cut it out. This must be really hot. Literally. If I guess it takes some time. That is not the right one. I hope I got that on film because that was funny.